How to score in economics? Here are some of tips. Reduced syllabus 2021-22, chapter 1 to 11 based on theory, chapter 12 statistical methods. This 12th chapter you have to study about the derivation, everything. Move on, reduce syllabus pattern. Chapter 1 to 12 you have to study 1 mark fully. Chapter 1 Introduction to Macroeconomics. Very short answer 21, 25, 27. Short answer all the questions. Detail 37, 38. If you study the 38th question, you have to easy to attend the 37th question also, because these are very important questions. Next, chapter 2 National Income. Very short answers 20 to 26. Short answer 28, 30, 31, 32, and detail 36 only. Chapter 3 Theories of Employment and Income. 1 mark fully. Short answer all the questions, very short answer all the question, because this chapter very important question, because you have to study all the 2 marks and 3 mark questions also. Detail 35, 36, 38. Chapter 4 Consumption and Investment Function. Very short answer all questions. Short answer 30, 31, 33. Detail 39 and 40. Chapter 5 Monetary Economics. Very short answer 26 only. Only one question you have to study. Short answer 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Detail 35, 36, 38. Chapter 6 Banking. Study about the banking system, functions of commercial banks, role of the commercial banks in economic development of country. Study about the central bank. Next, we have to move on NABARD. NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture, Rural Development. Next, you have to study about the Paytm, debit card and credit card. These are all things you have to study in the chapter 6 and banking chapter banking. Next, we have to move on chapter 7 International Economics. Very short answer 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27. Short answer 28, 31, 32, 33, and detail 35, 39, 41, 42. Chapter 8 International Economic Organization. Very short answer 21, 24, 25, 26, 27. Short answer 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And detail you have to study all the questions, because this chapter very important. At the same time, this chapter study about the old trade system and achievement of shock and breaks. These two questions are very important, shock and breaks. Next, chapter 9 Fiscal Economics. Very short answer all the question. Short answer 30, 31, 35. Detail 38, 39, 42, 43. This chapter also you have to study about the revenue and also budget system, revenue, public revenue, expenditure. Like this heading you have to study in the chapter 9. Chapter 10 Environmental Economics. Very short answer 22, 23, 25, 26. Short answer 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Detail 37. This chapter also you have to study about the pollution. What are the types of pollution? What are the source of environmental like that you have to study in the chapter 10. Next, we have to move on chapter 11 Economics Development and Planning. Very short answer 21, 25, 27. Short answer 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Detail 36, 37. Only 2 questions. Chapter 12 Introduction to Statistical Methods and Econometrics. Short answer 28, 29, 34. Very short answer 21, 22. Detail, there is no detail for this question, because this chapter will be mathematics, full and fully about them derivation, max, everything it will be added for this chapter. How to study: 1 mark study fully, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks target and book pack questions, paper pattern. Part A 1 marks, Part B 2 marks, out of 10 question will be given, answer any 7. Part C 3 marks, out of 10 question will be given, answer any 7. Part D 5 marks, out of 7 question will be given, that same time either question. Attend the some compulsory question. Part B and Part C there will be given the compulsory question. Paper presentation: answer the following by given option. There will be given the 1 mark question. You have to choose the correct answer. 2 marks, write only 2 points. For example, define macroeconomics. Answer: point 1, the word macro is derived from the Greek word macros, meaning large. Second point, macroeconomics study of the economy as a whole. 3 mark question, write elaborate on based on the questions, give some example and diagram. 3 mark means you have to attend the 4 or 5 points. That same time in economics there will be given some diagram and table you have to write. 5 marks, write subheadings, explain any or 4 headings. You have to for example, is there any author names, you have to criticism and tie a diagram and table. And 5 mark you have to attend carefully, because there will be some 10 headings will be given, means you have to attend the 4 headings or 5 headings, then you have to explain that same headings. Time management: totally 3 hours, 1 marks 10 minutes, 2 and 3 marks 1 hour, 5 marks 1.5 hours. 20 minutes check your answer while attending all the questions. End of the exam, after finishing your exam, you have to check your answer while you are attending all the questions, and also check your papers. Question number எல்லாம் கரெக்டாக போட்டு செக் பண்ணுங்க. Numbers and everything, you have to check your answers. All the best.